Mr. Vikramasinghe has borrowed Mr. Vikramasinghe has borrowed 30,000 rupees as a business loan. As a business loan. As a business loan. From a bank that charges an annual interest rate that charges an annual interest rate of 24%. Of 24%. The loan has to be paid back in 6 equal monthly installments. In 6 equal monthly installments. Mira, we started second term first lesson percentages, right? Topic එකක් අපි ලිව්වා පුතා, calculated interest on the reducing loan balance. The topic is percentages. The subtopic, calculating interest on the reducing balance. In 6 equal monthly installments, and the interest is calculated and the interest is calculated on the reducing balance. On the reducing balance. On the reducing balance. Calculate the value of a monthly installment. Calculate the value of a monthly installment. Write the sum ගාන ලියා ගන්න. පුතේ රෙස් කරන්නද? චලනි තිමිර ලියලා ඉවරද පුතේ ගාන?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we can determine the value of a monthly installment. Right. First, then what is the sum? Mr. Vikramasinghe has borrowed 30,000 as a loan, as a business loan from a bank that charges an annual interest rate of 24%. The loan has to be paid back in 6 equal monthly installments. Right. First, determine monthly loan amount. කියන්නේ මාසිකව ගෙන ණය මුදල. Divide 30,000 by 6. 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees. Then annual interest rate is given is 24%. First determine interest for the first month. 24% into the beginning, the loan amount is 30,000. The given thing is annual interest rate. It is 24%. We are determining monthly interest. This should be divided by 12 or multiplied by 1/12. Right? කියන්නේ වාර්ෂිකව තියෙන එක මාසික කරගන්න to represent in a to obtain a monthly interest. This annual interest should be represented monthly interest rate. And you can simplify by 12. The answer is 600 rupees. 600 rupees. Then interest.
So at once we can take 12 over 100, right?
Yes, if you want to, without using this 12, you can use this as 2 over 100. Then 24, when dividing 24 by 12, 2%. Right?
No, sir, I'm asking 12 over 100 multiplied by 30,000. Same answer will come.
12 over 100?
Yeah, sir.
No. Then identify what is this. Then the loan amount is 30,000. Right? This loan amount reduces. The first month 30,000. Then it becomes 25,000. Interest for the second month. $24 over 100 into 25,000. This becomes 25,000. This one the given one. 1/12. Right. Now simplify. Then 12. 2 into 250. 500 rupees. Then interest for the third month. 24%. The loan amount 20,000. 1 over 12. Simplify. 12. 400. Loan amount becomes 15,000 by 12. 300. 300. The loan amount becomes 10,000. 200. 200. Vertically agan හිතන්න. Then interest for the last month. Interest (24 over 100) into loan amount becomes 5,000. 1 over 2. 100 rupees. Now find the total interest. Separately, you can add interest. The total interest right? 600 plus 500, 400, 300, 200, finally 100. The total interest is 2,100. We know the loan amount, it is 30,000 rupees. Then determine total amount paid with the interest. then 30,000 plus 2,100, 32,100. Now, to determine value of an installment, divide this 32,100 by 6, because there are 6 installments. Divided by 6. Answer is 5,350 rupees. 5,350 rupees. Calculating the interest using this method is very difficult when the number of installment is a large value, right? අපිට ඇත්තටම පුතේ හිතන්නකෝ, if a loan will pay back 5 years, right? The period of the loan is 5 years. That's with monthly installments. 5 years means 12 into 5. There are 16 installments. If you use this method, this interest should be calculated 60 times. It's very difficult. හොයන්න පුළුවන්, හරි අමාරු වැඩක්. මේකට ලේසි ක්‍රමයක් තියෙනවා. There's a simple method. අපි ඒක තමයි වැදගත්. මේක මම පුතලට කියලා දුන්නේ මේක තමයි ඇතුලේ තියෙන ගාන ඇතුලේ තියෙන කියන එක කියලා. මේ ගානේ ක්‍රමයට ගාන හදන්නේ නැහැ. මේ ක්‍රමයට හදන්න ගියොත් අපිට ඇත්තටම එක අපහසුයි. right, මම මේක erase කරනවා. right, with the star mark එකක් ලියන්න දාලා. Calculating the interest calculating the interest in the above method could be lengthy and time consuming. And time consuming therefore we adopt the following easier method. We adopt the following easier method to calculate the interest. Right, අපි බලමු පුතා ඒක තමයි අපිට ඕන ක්‍රමය. මේක විභාගයේදී අනිවාර්යෙන් තියෙන ගානක්. පහුගිය ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍ර බලපුවාම ඉතින් හරිම ලේසි. You have to apply same procedure when finding the monthly installment of this type of question. Right. දැන් මම මේක මකනවා. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන් මම හුවත් මේක මකන්නද කියලා මට උත්තරයක් හරියට දෙන්නෙත් නැහැ කවුරුත්. ඒ හින්දා මම යම් කාලයක් දීලා මකන්නද ඔයගොල්ලෝ කවුරුත් කතා කරන්නේ නැහැ නේ සාමාන්‍ය පන්ති ඔහේ ඉන්නවා. කිසි කෙනෙක් කට කිසි ප්‍රශ්නකුත් නැහැ. මොකුත් නැහැ. ඔහේ ඉන්නවා පන්ති. සමහරවිට මේක ඔන් කරලා පන්ති නැතුව කොහේ හරි ගිහිල්ලක් දන්නෙත් නැහැ. ගේ වටේ රවුමක් දාලා ඉන්න. කිසි කෙනෙක් ප්‍රශ්නයක් ඇහුවොත් නෑ වගේ ඉන්නවා සමහර වෙලාවට. ඔයගලන්ට තියෙන ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න. Right. We can determine the value of an installment using this method. First, we can determine the loan amount. Sorry, monthly loan amount. You know, 30,000 divided by 6, 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees. Now determine interest. For monthly loan amount. %, 5,000. To obtain monthly loan amount, divide this one by 12 or multiply by 1/12. Simplify it by 12 to it is 100 rupees. 100 rupees. Then we define a special term. It is called number of month units. What is it? The number of month units is depend on number of installments. Number of month units depend on number of installment. This example, there are 6 installments. To find the number of month units, we have to add starting from 6 up to 1. In the total is 11, 15, 18, 21. Yes, 21. This is on, that you can see like an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. The first term is 6, the last term is 1. How can you add obtain the sum of an arithmetic progression? When adding these values starting from 6 up to 1, you can obtain number of month units. This is called number of month units. Right? If the number of installment 12, to obtain number of month units starting from 12, you have to add up to 1, like that. Right? Then to find number of month units, we can use this formula. You know, this is used to find the one. There are 2 such formulae to find the sum of an arithmetic progression. N means number of terms. It is 6 in this case. And A is the first term also 6. The last term always 1. Then 3 into 7. The answer is 21. Very easily we can determine number of month units using this formula. Right? Simply we can write it number of month units n over 2 n plus 1. N means, what is n? Number of installment. This one is 1. Always the last term is 1 here. N over 2 n plus. By using this one, number of month units can be determined. What is this n? Number of installments. The number of month units කියලා කියන්න පුතා installment ගාන ඒ පටන් ගන්න ගාන ඉඳලා කියන්නේ ස්මෝල් 10 නම් 10 ඉඳලා 1 දක්වා whole numbers අඩු කර එකතු කරගෙන එන්න ඕනේ. If there are 10 installments, to find the number of month units starting from 10 up to 1, you have to add 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can find it. To find it, this can be used very easily. N over 2, n plus 1, what is n? Number of installments, right? Then we can determine number of month units. N over 2, n plus 1. What is n? N means, here n is equals, number of installments. Number of installments, right? And you can determine it 6 over 2, 6 plus 1, 3 into 7, number of installment 21. Right? Now we can determine total interest. How to find the total interest? To find it, we have to identify very important relationship. Previously, we obtain interest for monthly loan amount. It is called, in other words, we can represent it interest for 1 month unit. Interest for monthly loan amount is equals interest for 1 month unit. මාසික ණය මුදලට interest එක කියන එක සමාන වෙනවා පුතා. මොකේද? එක month unit එකකට interest එක කියන එකට. Right? Then we can determine the total interest. To find it, multiply interest for 1 month unit, it is 100, and number of month unit is 21. Then the total interest is 2,100. Yes, we obtained this answer. අපි කලින් අවස්ථාවේ මේ උත්තරේ ගත්තා 2,100. 2,100. Now determine total amount paid with interest loan amount is 30,000 plus 2,100. The total amount is 32,100. Then value of an installment. Value of an installment. Divide this 32,100 by 6. One says 5,350 rupees. The same procedure when finding an installment, value of an installment, you have to apply these steps. When the මේක තමයි අපිට apply කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. මොකක්ද? First, determine the monthly loan amount. How to determine monthly loan amount? Divide total loan by number of installment. After that, find interest for monthly loan amount. We can determine it. The monthly loan amount is 5,000. Use this interest rate and to write monthly divided by 1 over 12. An important thing, interest for monthly loan amount means interest for 1 month unit. Interest for monthly loan amount is equals interest for 1 month unit. You can find number of month units. You can use this. You know about this formula. දැන් මේක අවශ්‍ය නැහැ අපිට කියන්නේ. මේක මතක තියාගන්න පුතාලා. වෙනදී මම පැහැදිලි කරා නෝට් එක ලියන්න ඕනේ. n over 2 n plus 1. What is n? Number of installment. Then 6 over 2 6 plus 1, it is 21. Now we know interest for 1 month units and also we know number of month units. අර නිකන් පෑන් එක මිල දානවා පෑන් ගාන දානවා. We can determine total cost like that. We know interest for 1 month unit and number of month units. Then take the product of these two to find the total interest. It is 2,100. Then find total amount paid with interest, add the loan amount and the total interest, divide this total amount by number of installments to find the value of an installment. That's the way. Any question? කාට හරි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා කතා කරන්න පුතාලා. ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ කාටවත් නේ එහෙනම් ලියාගන්න. හරියට දැන් මේ ටික පාඩමේ තියා දැන් කියන්නේ දැන් මේ ටික ඇත්තට පුතාලා හොඳට මතකේ තියාගන්න කටපාඩමේ තියාගත්ත ප්‍රශ්නේ මොකද්ද කරන්නේ? First determine the monthly loan amount. පොඩි දෙයක් නේ. ඊට පස්සේ interest for monthly loan amount. Then number of month units. You know interest for monthly loan amount means interest for 1 month unit. Then take the product of number of month units and interest for 1 month unit to find total interest. Add total interest and loan amount. Determine the total amount paid with interest, then divide it by number of installment. You can find the value of an installment. කටපාඩමේ තියාගන්න. මෙතුලි මේක ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ නේද පුතේ? දහම්සි තේරුණාද පුතේ? ප්‍රශ්න නැද්ද?
ඔව් සර් තේරුණා.
හරි. හරි මම බෝඩ් එක රේස් කරනවා. Write down this question. මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ යන්න. A TV price at 25 rupees a TV set priced 25,000 rupees can be purchased by making a down payment of by making a down payment of 7,000 rupees and paying the remainder by 12 equal monthly installments by 12 equal monthly installments. If an annual interest rate of 18% annual interest rate of 18 මයිත් එකම ලියන්න පුතේ is charged on the loan where the interest is calculated interest is calculated where the interest is on the reducing balance on the reducing balance. Find the value of a monthly installment. Right. Then make sample එක මම කරන්නම්. A TV set price at 25,000 can be purchased by making a down payment of 7,000. What do you mean by the down payment? අපි සිංහලෙන් කියන මූලික ගෙවීමක් කියලා. Right? Then there is a down payment. To find the loan amount, this down payment should be subtracted from 25,000. Hari? And paying the remainder by 12 equal monthly installments if an annual interest rate of 18%. Right. The first in this sum, the first step, determine the loan amount. මුලින්ම මේකෙදි පුතාලා loan amount එක ඉස්සලා හොයාගෙන ඉන්න ඕනේ. A loan amount subtract 7,000 from 25,000. It is 18,000. 25,000 from 7,000. Sorry, 7,000 from 25,000, it is 18,000. Then find monthly loan amount. Right? Monthly loan amount. Monthly loan amount. There are 12 equal monthly installments. Then divide 18,000 by 12. It is 5,000. Sorry, 1,500. Same procedure. Steps after that, interest for monthly loan amount. Interest for monthly loan amount. Interest rate is given, this 18%. into 1/12. Simplify by and also by 6, 3, 2, 45/2, 22, 50 cents. This is the guy 50. Right. What is this? Interest for monthly loan amount means interest for 1 month unit. Interest for 1 month unit. Then determine interest for, sorry, number of month units. Number of month units. How can you find it? Number of month units. N over 2 and plus 1. In this case, number of installments 12. Then 12 over 2, 12 plus 1. 6 into 13, 78. Then total interest. Take the product of number of month units and interest for 1 month unit. ₹1,755. Then interest total amount paid with interest. The loan amount is 18,000. Total interest 1,755. 19,755. 19,755. Now value of an installment. Divide this one by number of installments 8, 12. Your answer is 19,755 Yes. 1,646 and 25 cents. Right. Identify the steps, the same steps. දැන් මේක දෙන්දි පුතේ installment එක හොයනකොට පුතලට apply කරන්න තියෙන steps ටික වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහනේ. What is the first step? If there is a down payment, first of all, subtract the down payment from the value of the, in this case, the TV set. You can determine the loan amount. It is 18,000. And divide 18,000 by 12 to find monthly loan amount. ඔය steps ටික ඔළුවට ගන්න පොඩි දෙයක් ඕන පොඩි දරුවෙකුට තේරෙනවා. Then interest for monthly loan amount. ඒ කියන්නේ තව වචනයකින් කියනවා නම් interest for 1 month unit. Then number of month units. Take the product of number of month units and interest for 1 month unit. You can determine total interest. Add the total interest and the loan amount. You can determine amount paid with interest and divide it by number of installment. You can determine value of an installment. That's the way. Yes. පුතාලා ඕක ලියා ගන්න. After doing it, do the first question of 9.1. ඕකෙන් පස්සේ 9.1 වල පළවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ කරන්න. After that, do the first question of 9.1. 9.1 first question. ඉවරයිද පුතාලා?
Yes, sir, finish.
Right. Sandamini takes a loan of 50,000 from a bank. The charge an annual interest. The bank that charges an annual interest rate of 12%. The loan should be repaid in 10 equal monthly installments. First question, find the amount due from the principal loan amount from each month. Divide 50,000 by 10 equal monthly installments, 5,000 rupees. Second one, find the interest charge on the principal loan amount each month. Each month. 12%, 5,000. Simplify. 50 rupees. For how many month units should she pay the interest? 10 installments, 10 over 2, 10 plus 1. 5 into 11, 55. Fourth question. Find the total interest she should pay under the reducing loan balance. Take the product of these two. $2,750. Find the amount of monthly installment. Then total amount paid with interest is total amount paid with interest 50,000 plus 2,750, 52,750. The value of an installment. Divide this by 10. 5,275 rupees. I got the answer.
Yes, I got it.
Right. Right. Now question number 3. Tungine karan. Question number 3. No steps. මේකේ steps දීලා නැහැ පුතාලා. කියන්නේ step by step හොයන්න නැහැ කියලා තියෙන අවසානයේ මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? Calculate the amount of a monthly installment. When calculating it, write down the statements. Statement ලියලා හදන්න. එතකොට ගාන අවසානයේ වැරදුනත් ඒ හදලා තියෙන දේවල් හරිනම් ඒවට අදාළ ලකුණු හම්බෙන්නේ. මුකුත්ම නොලියා ගන්න හදන් කියන ලකුණු හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. Statement එක බොහොම කෙටියෙන් ලියන්න. Loan monthly loan amount, interest for monthly loan amount like that. Wait, question number 3, 9.1, third question. A dining table worth 35,000 can be purchased with a 5,000 cash down payment and the rest paid in 50 equal monthly installments. The loan is charged and 18% annual interest on the reducing loan balance. Calculate the amount of per monthly installment. Amount of per monthly installment. Yes, හදලා ඉවරයිද පුතාලා? අප්සා?
Yes.
හරි. What is the answer?
2080 rupees.
2000.
8.
Right. බලමු අපි. 2480. 2000 බලමු උත්තර කීපයක් තියෙන පුතේ වෙනකම්. බලමු නේ. හරි. Right. First loan amount. බලමු ලේසියෙන්ම loan amount. $35,000 minus 5,000. $30,000, right? Then monthly loan amount, number of installments 15, divide 30,000 by 15. $2,000. Monthly loan amount 2,000. Then interest for monthly loan. Interest rate is given 18%. $2,000 1 over 12. Interest for monthly loan amount. Divided by 6, 30 rupees. Interest for monthly loan amount. Now, number of month units. $15 over 2, 15 plus 1, 2 into 16, 120, 120. In total interest. Multiply number of month units and interest for 1 month unit. ₹2,600. Then total amount paid with interest Loan amount is 30,000. Value of an installment by 15. ₹2,240. උත්තරේ ආව නේද පුතේ? 2,200 is 40. Very good. $2,440. හරි ඕකේ පුතේ දැන් ඊළඟ ගණන් වර්ගය කියන්නේ අපිට reducing loan balance එක යටතේ ගණන් වර්ග දෙකක් තියෙනවා. මේ එකක් calculating value of an installment. The other one is uh, finally we can calculate annual interest rate. එකත් එක විදිහක ගණන් වර්ග. ඒතර ගණන් වර්ග දෙකක් තමයි මේකෙදි අපිට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ලැබෙන්නේ. ඒතකොට ඔය procedure steps ටික තමයි apply කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. දැන් එතෙන්දී ඒ ගාන හදනකොට වෙනම ස්ටෙප්ස් ටිකක් තියෙනවා. මේ විදිහට අපිට හරියටම මේක කිසි වැරදීමකින් තොරව ගාන හදා ගන්න පුළුවන්කම ලැබෙනවා. මේක එක්සැම්පල් එකක් විදිහට ලියන්න. write a subtopic අනුමාත්‍රිකාව ලියන්න. calculating annual interest rate. Subtopic calculating annual interest rate. Calculating annual interest rate. Calculating annual interest rate. Write down this example. The following advertisement advertisement was displayed in a shop. a washing machine worth 30,000 is available for a down payment of down payment of a down payment of 5,000 rupees and 5,000 rupees and 10 equal monthly installments ten equal monthly installments of 2,720 of 2,720. This is an advertisement. If the interest if the interest on the loan was calculated if the interest on the loan was calculated on the reducing loan balance on the reducing loan balance, calculate the interest rate. Calculate the annual interest rate. Annual interest. පුතේ ලියාගන්න ඉස්සර ගාන මම හදන්නම්. First of all, write down it. A washing machine worth 30,000 is available for a down payment of 5,000 and 10 equal monthly installments of 2,720 rupees. රුපියල් 2,20 installments වලින් pay කරනවා කියලා කියනවා. We need annual interest rate. Annual interest rate. Ten equal monthly installments of 2,720. මං erase කරනවා පුතේ. In this case, we need annual interest rate. Right. A washing machine worth 30,000. First of all, find the loan amount. Find the previous one. කලින් වගේම loan amount එක හොයාගන්න. Subtract this 5,000 is 25,000 rupees. Right? And monthly loan amount. Monthly loan amount divide 25,000 by 10, 2,500. Yes, 2,500 is the monthly loan amount. Right. Then you can determine total amount paid in installments. Total amount paid in installments. In installments, we know value of installment 2,720. 10 installments. The answer is 27,200. Then total interest. Subtract 25,000 from this one. This 27,200 means the total amount paid in installments. It consists of both the loan amount and the total interest. What we know the loan amount, which is 25,000. Take the difference between these two, you can find the total interest. It is 2,200. 2,200. Then determine, actually what is this total interest? Is 2,200. Now determine number of month units. You know about the number of month units. Number of installments 10. 10 over 2. 10 plus 1. 5 into 11. It is 55. 55. Then determine interest for 1 month unit. You can determine it. Interest for 1 month unit. Number of month units 55. Interest for 1 month unit, divide total interest by number of month units is 40 rupees. And 55. Yes, 40 rupees. This is called interest for monthly loan amount. Interest for 1 month unit means interest for monthly loan amount. Right? Now we can determine annual interest rate. How to determine it? Monthly loan amount is 2,500, right? This 40 rupees out of 2,500, and we need percentage 100 and to convert into this, this gives monthly loan interest. This has to be multiplied by 12. මේක පුතාලට 12න් වැඩි කරන්න වෙන උත්තරේ ගන්න අන්තිම උත්තරේ. We need annual interest rate multiplied by 12. Let's simplify. And by 5. 5, 8. 96 over 5. The final answer. $19.2. It's 19.2. This is the answer. හදාගන්න දැන් බලන්න steps ටික මොකක්ද කියලා. First, find the loan amount. Then monthly loan amount, divide the total loan amount by number of installments. Total amount paid in installments, multiply value of an installment by number of installments. It is 27,200. This 27,200 means the total amount paid with the interest. You know the loan amount. When taking the difference between these two, we can determine total interest. Divide total interest, then determine number of month units, which is 55. Divide total interest by number of month units, you can find interest for 1 month unit. It is called interest for monthly loan amount. ඒක ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්න හොඳට මේ concept එක. එතකොට දැන් annual interest rate එක හොයන්නේ කොහොමද දැන්? Interest monthly loan amount is 2,500. Interest for monthly loan amount is 40. 40 out of 2,500, we need the percentage, and this is monthly, and to convert into annual interest rate multiplied by 12. You can find the answer. Any question? හදාගන්න. After writing this, do the fifth question of 9.1. 9.1 වල පස්වෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ ඔකේ පස්සේ 9.1 question number 5. 9.1 5 නෙමෙයි. 9.1 fifth question. ඉවරද පුතේ? Finish? Tarushi?
Done, sir.
Right. Mr. Kumar has acquired a loan of 12,000 which he intends to repay in 6 equal monthly installments. The amount paid in the monthly installment is 2,500. Find the amount due from the principal loan amount each month. 12,000 divided by 6, 2,000 rupees. Find the total interest he should pay. Then we can determine the total interest amount paid in total amount paid in installments. Total amount paid in installments multiply to 1,500 by 6, 12,000. Right. Now, sorry, 15,000. Then total interest, subtract 12,000 is the loan amount by 15,000, 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees. Find the total amount paid in installments. Like අපි හෙව්වා නේද? Can write directly. ප්‍රශ්න දෙක මාරු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. 15,000 Roman 4. What is the number of month units? Installment 6. 6 over 2. 6 plus 1. 3 into 7. 21.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Pata?
Sir, total amount එක හොයද්දි 2100 multiplied by 6 නෙමෙයිද?
මේක 2100 කියලා පුතේ තියෙන්නේ. 2500 නෙමෙයිද?
2100 sir.
හරි පුතේ. මගේ පොතේ පරණ එකක් මගේ පොත. එහෙමනම් 2100 by 6. 12,600. Right. Then subtract 12,600. 12,000 by 12,600. 600 rupees. Is it 600?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this one is, we found it as 12,600. Now, question number 5. Find the interest for a month unit. Divide this total interest by 21. Yes, the total interest is 600. It can be divided by 21. 42. Is it 28 rupees? 57, just like that. එක දාවේ.
Yes, sir.
Then the last one, අපි අන්තිම එකෙමු. Annual interest rate. Yes. When finding annual interest rate, use this fraction. Don't use this fraction එක use කරන්න. We know monthly loan amount is 2,000. 600 over 21. This has to be multiplied by percentage 100 and multiply by 12 also. Simplify 30. 7, 4. Is it 17.14?
Yes, sir.
Right. This is the annual interest Right. පුතලගේ homework ලියා ගන්න. 9.1 9.1 2 4 6 7 2 4 6 7 පුතල හැමෝටම මුල් සරණයි. පරිස්සමෙන්.
Pujasarnai sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, Bhuvan sir.